Hey everyone, it's Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be jumping into the top 5 coins to invest in during today's dip. We see about a 2.55% decrease in the last 24 hours alone. However, this last month altogether has been a very rough month for crypto, and really the last couple of months in general. I want to jump though through some coins that have a huge market value that just are really not finding that true potential when it comes to price, because the crypto market, like I said, as a whole is very much so down. So Chainlink actually is doing fairly well at $8.57, but it did see really about 8 to 9% decrease in this last 24 hours. So if we see here, the last day alone, a 9% decrease, but we actually had a nice push all the way up this week of a 25% increase due to the staking roadmap released, and a lot of people excited about what that could mean for Chainlink. A lot of great details to come for Chainlink and many other coins in today's video, so make sure to stick around and make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on so you guys can stay up to date with all things crypto as we go through this kind of bearish market. So before we jump into the, kind of the top 5 coins, there's a lot of great coins out there. Ethereum, kind of my favorite high market cap pick, and Chainlink, kind of a really in my favorite, probably mid-tier market cap pick as well. I want to jump through kind of low market cap picks as well. So we'll talk about those later on today. But the first thing we're going to jump into is the crypto, really kind of crypto article by Cointelegraph. It talks about the bear market. Some crypto firms cut jobs while others aim for sustainable growth. So while crypto companies have faced with kind of major layoffs, and things are really nowhere as bad as the tech industry or other traditional sectors. So we're not seeing near as much layoffs as some of those other really kind of categories in the job industry. But one thing to put into perspective is since November 2021, the total market capitalization of digital asset industry has plummeted from its all-time $3 trillion highs to its current levels of approximately $1.27 trillion, thus showcasing a loss ratio of over 55%. That is a massive amount of money. Obviously, with the ongoing Russia-Ukraine war, rising inflation figures and worsening macro, conditions have had a major impact on the crypto job landscape. So this article does a great job of kind of pinpointing as to where we are right now in the crypto space and why we're seeing such a struggle. This is where we are now. Our industry refers to really a crypto winter, and this has all been farther compounded by the current macroeconomic and geopolitical turmoil. We are not alone. So how bad is the situation really? Well, guys, the situation's tough, and it's a repeat of really kind of 2018. They kind of walk you guys through that, and there's been companies that have suggested much more lost as well. So not all is lost. There is still, during these unfavorable market conditions, people that are trying to hire. So right here, SBF says zigzag and hiring. Why FTX is going to keep growing as others cut jobs. So SBF does a great job at expanding during a bear market continually. And that's something you don't see much in the crypto space as of yet. I also want to jump over to the next article. We have one more article after this one, then we'll jump into those top 5 because there is a lot to kind of understand and know before we jump into the top 5 that will kind of help you realize where we're at in the market, what to expect in the market, and where these coins could be headed. So Circle agrees to buy Web3 infrastructure platform Sabavo. Circle will invest in research and development related to Sabavo while really kind of leveraging its development services. We also see payments company Circle agreed to buy Sabavo, a digital asset infrastructure platform that focuses on custody and blockchain application development, for an undisclosed amount. So Circle is the issuer of the USDC stablecoin, and it aims to use the acquisition to increase the coin's adoption, according to the press release related on Friday. USDC, by the way, is the second biggest stablecoin behind Tether, with a market cap of $53.8 billion. I'm not going to say too much about USDC being the safest because I truly do like USDC more than I like USDT, but I don't want to, kind of be caught on these words. So do remember, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I just really do like the way they kind of work with USDC, kind of the things that are backing it, and it's kind of the situation that USDC is in over USDT. So USDC, definitely one of my favorite stablecoins out there. As we jump over, though, there is more to talk about when it comes to Yahoo Finance. We have a post that kind of mentions Ethereum and how it closes in on a merge that may boost the crypto's value. So Ethereum, like I said, is probably one of my favorite high market cap picks as of right now. And Ethereum is a one step closer to its long-awaited software upgrade that, after really kind of just rehearsal, merge at the second largest kind of blockchain successful completed on Wednesday. It seems like a general success, said Ethereum core developer Danny Ryan during an Ethereum core developer call shortly after the test merge, noting some software bugs were detected. We've seen this in the past. Fortunately, it's very often minor things. We'll probably see some post-mortems in the next day or so. So investors are carefully watching, and definitely, like I said, if you want to get into a high market cap pick, Ethereum is going to be the one that I would be eyeing. I'm not going to jump too much more into this article because there's a lot to talk about when it comes to the top 5 coins that we're going to be looking into today. First one, like I said, is an obvious choice. It's Ethereum. $1,700 right now, a 30% decrease in the last year alone, 4% decrease today alone. Definitely a coin to watch out for, definitely a coin to buy and really hold and stake if you are on Coinbase, or really stake if you have any other opportunities out there with Ethereum. There's a lot of them out there where you can continue to earn passive income while holding one of the most valuable coins in the space. As we jump a little bit farther down, there's going to be 4 other coins to take a look at. Cardano is one of them. And it's not even because of how well Cardano is built, although I do like how it's built. We have an 8 to 9% decrease today in the last day alone. That's going to give you a huge opportunity to buy very low at 58 cents. And I do believe Cardano is going to make its way back to $2, $3, $4, $5, $6 in the next 4 to 5 years. Definitely a long-term hold and a long-term passive income value holder. I want to jump, though, into coin number 3. So there's a lot of coins to take a look at. We talked about Ethereum, Cardano, but I already told you kind of my mid-market cap pick. So let's take a look at Chainlink. It's down 63.27% in the last year. And in the last week, though, we have seen that 25% increase up to $8.51. We saw a lot of talk about Chainlink in this last week of the staking roadmap being released and a lot of excitement around that staking roadmap. So I actually put out a price prediction for 2026. So Link all-time high by 2026. What are your price predictions for Chainlink? My prediction is $474. That is backed by a decent amount of, strategic advice and also kind of getting into the trading analysis. I will say, guys, as well, if you want to learn more about trading and you want to learn more about crypto in general, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and then come follow me on Twitter, Crypto Profit YT, to stay up to date with crypto during kind of a bearish market. A lot of people are kind of swaying away from giving you guys kind of the facts and giving you guys kind of the information you need to stay kind of aware during this bear market. So I'll try to keep you up to date as much as I can. As we jump back, though, there is going to be 2 more coins to take a look at in the crypto space during this bear run. We have many, many great coins out there, but I want to continue to go kind of with low market cap picks. And with that, I do believe that the Theta network is really a coin with a huge, huge upside. It's down 85% in the last year, down to $1.33. At some point, we are going to see this coin actually take off. And I really, truly believe that with the World Poker Tour kind of partnership that they are holding within Theta Drops, the Theta.tv that they've continued to push as well, and just really all around the Theta network with some of the big partnerships they do have and some of the big things they are working on. Theta network is a very high risk but high reward cryptocurrency. At $1.33, there's not much downside for me. I will continue to dollar cost average in on Theta network as well as all of the other coins mentioned today. As we continue forward, we have one more coin to take a look at. I want to go to page 2 of Coinbase because there's a lot of great coins out there. There are some that are kind of hidden. Axie Infinity, like I said, by the way, I said this a while back, not a coin I would have ever gotten into when it was above $100. I knew it was going to come down very, very quickly. Wish I would have shorted it a little bit harder than I did, but it's just one of those coins, like I said, didn't have the value really when it came to play to earn games to stay there. Vechain, though, is one to look at. So Vechain just made a huge deal with the UFC, continuing to, I think it was $100 million. They made a partnership deal with UFC to really kind of be featured in some of the UFC matches. But we have a 73% decrease in the last year. That's a huge decrease, giving you a huge opportunity to buy at a very low 3-cent price point. $2.2 billion in market cap. This is kind of another mid-market cap gem that has huge, huge potential. I think this is going to be one coin that you will see go lower. However, when it does burst out, when we do see that 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 15, 20 cent price point that we will see in the next couple of years, most likely, I think that, really Vechain is going to be a very big winner as we get farther into the next few years. So I want to keep an eye on all these coins. If you guys want to keep an eye on all these coins, you're on the right channel. We're going to continue to keep an eye as there are so many great really reasons as to why vechain, Chainlink, Cardano, Ethereum, and Theta Network all have an opportunity to grow much, much farther. So we'll give you updates every single day here on the channel. I'll see you guys all in the next one.